What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So I just received Android 11 One UI 3.0 on my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now I know in other regions and other countries, y'all guys have already received y'all updates, but me, as I recorded this video a couple of days after Christmas 2020, I just received Android 11 3.0 update for my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now, One UI 3.0 brings in so many good enhancements that I've been anticipating on and waiting. It brings a new visual design, improvement performance, which is always great, better customization. It brings in some enhanced features. It brings in some calls and chats, also some enhanced features. This is a huge update. Also, in video and pictures, it has faster autofocus and faster exposure, which is nice. In your settings, you're going to see a simpler look. Also, the Samsung keyboard had brought in a slew of updates for the Samsung keyboard on your device. Productivity, you're going to get some enhanced features with productivity with this device. Easy media and device controls. Also, accessibility for everything, for everyone. You're going to get stronger privacy protection and additional enhancements. I mean, this is a huge update, about 2.3 gigs, which is massive. So let's go on and download it and see what it's all about. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. All right, so I just finished downloading One UI 3.0 Android 11 on my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now, this device here has been one of my favorites, one of the favorite phones of 2020, in my opinion. But I'm glad to see that Samsung has pushed out Android 11 One UI 3 for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now, I bought some other devices here for reference. I got the Galaxy Note 10 Plus right here, and I got the Galaxy S20 FE for reference. Now, all these devices right here is running One UI 2.5 Android 10. Now, the Galaxy S20 FE is slated to get all the updates for the next 3 years. So it's a 3-year promise with the newer Galaxy devices in 2020. All right. One of the things that I saw as soon as this phone finished updating, it's a lock screen. All right. So lock screen, you definitely got the ISPN. Yes. So you definitely see a pronounced icons here, more of a bubble icon that you can see at your lock screen compared to the Galaxy Note. And it all depends on your wallpaper. OK, so that is pretty neat. All right. So looking at the Galaxy S20 FE, you can kind of see that it does have a difference when it comes down to the icons on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, so which is really nice, right? All right, so one of the enhancements that Samsung had brought to the table as I was reading some of the description was the drop-down menu. Drop-down menu is supposed to be a little different here, and let's clear all this stuff out. Drop-down menu is supposed to be different. It says, okay, software updates been updated. Okay. Get to the drop-down menu. So you do see some differences here in the drop-down menu. All right, so now you have devices and media in your drop-down menu versus One UI 2.5. So yes, you can now edit your devices. Okay, and you can, without going through the settings, you can edit your devices and everything here, which is nice. All right, and wow, look at this menu. This is new. Look at that menu. Okay, so direct connected devices. You could edit your devices right here in the drop-down menu by clicking on devices. So now I could probably go to my settings. Let me see here. Let me click here. Okay, so it's paired. Okay, let's go back. Let me see if I can go back. Okay, and I do have a mouse paired. And so it tells you everything that's paired, okay, even with my Bluetooth speakers. So this is a nice layout. This is beautiful. I like that. You don't get this with a One UI 2.5, but you get this with One UI 2. So that's pretty neat. Okay, and let's go back to the drop-down menu and let's go to media. All right, so media, this was the last song I was playing. And so it tells me my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and I was playing some tunes in the vehicle. So this was my Google playlist that I was playing. So that is nice. I like that. This is some new. So let's go to settings. Okay, and let's go to settings on both devices here. Okay, let's go to settings. So settings is supposed to be a nice layout. Okay, now one of the things that I found in settings when I went in it is that it's showing your email address right at the top of the screen. Don't know if I like that, but it's showing your email address at the top of the screen, which I'm not going to show in this video. So instead of having the word settings, it has your email address at the top of the screen. So that's something you might like it, may not like it. It's here and there. Okay, so you do have your connections here, but it does look really simplified. Okay, so you do have some things that simplify connections and everything. So things do look simplified. Instead of having all these words across it, it pretty much took some of the things out and it kind of made it nice and simple, which is nice. Okay, just look at advanced features. You have Bixby routines, motion gestures, one-handed mode. It's One UI 3.0. It just went to Android Auto, side key, and Bixby routines. Let's look at that for a second. Let's go into that. Let's go into that advanced features. Okay, so here it is. You definitely got some new stuff here. All right, in advanced features. Okay. So look at this. You got call and text on other devices, right? You have link to Windows. You got Samsung DeX and Android Auto. All right, in your advanced features, right? And the right at the bottom, you do have the S Pen side key and its motion to gestures, one-handed mode, Bixby routine, screenshot and screen record. All right, so you have all of that in this in the advanced features. All right, so yes, you do have some additional features here with this device. Now, look, I'm sure that it's a slew of features with One UI 3.0 compared to One UI 2.5. So I'm just kind of talking about some of the things I'm seeing as I'm going through the OS. So let's go into gallery. I saw one of the things in the gallery that's different, and let's go to gallery on all devices here and let's look at some differences here. Okay, so when you open up gallery, it looked like it goes straight to your pictures. One UI 2.5 on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus says albums. The FE says pictures, so you got pictures and pictures here. Let's look at some differences here. All right, so look like your hamburger bar was at the top. Now it's right here at the bottom. All right, so look at that. Okay, so you have all your description and stuff at the bottom instead of at the top. All right, so you do have set as wallpaper, clipboard, print. You have the same icons here, but it's at the bottom now instead of at the top. So you got good reachability, especially in your Photos app. All in all, One UI 3.0 look like it's going to bring some really great enhancements and stuff like that. And again, I'm thinking about a lot of things before I end this video. Let's go ahead and go into the camera, and I'm probably going to do some camera reviews again with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra because it's supposed to be bringing in faster autofocus and faster exposure, especially with shots. So here it is. Let's go to more. Look like you got the same layout here. Nothing changed in the camera app, guys. So, oh, you can add some, you got a plus sign right here. So things did change in the camera app. Instead of the little pencil right there, it has a plus sign. So, okay. So you do see some changes in the camera app when you hit more. Okay. Photo and stuff like that. Let's go single take. Everything is still there. Okay. And also you do have an icon that says 2x. Okay, icon that says 2x, and also an icon that locks your focus. Okay, so you do see some enhancements here. All right, so in the camera app, you got 2x. If you go to wide, and now you do have an icon to lock your focus, lock your exposure. Okay, lock your focus and exposure right here, guys, in the camera app. So you do have some new enhancements with the camera app. And let's go into the settings of the camera app. And let's look at the difference here. All right. Selfie color tone. Okay, we do see, all right, so we got selfie tone. This is selfie color tone. And that's it, selfie tone. Okay, so now you do see selfie color tone instead of selfie tone. So if you got a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, hopefully that you should be getting your update very soon. There's a slew of things that's different that I'm noticing with this device. I could probably go on and on to talk about all the different things that I'm seeing here. The only thing that I did in this video, I saw the update. I updated the device. I bought in some other devices to kind of compare what I'm seeing so far. I have to dig a little deeper to see some more enhancements with the device, because I definitely want to see some things with the camera app. See if the cameras got a lot better with image quality and video quality, with more the enhancements of better autofocus and better exposure. So I'm going to probably do some more camera reviews with this device to see what it's all about. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in all its glory. Man, that's what I'm talking about. Fast and fluid. Woo. Wow. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Woo. Samsung is doing it, baby. Woo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See you guys on the next video. Peace.